welcome back to Roy Bean and Messi. Today we are going to do the rebuilding of the temple from Ezra 6 through 8, or all of Nehemiah. And we are going to walk you through it with a Google Jamboard, so we probably better get started. And we also mentioned last month that we are going to start Bible quizzes in May. Well, it's May now, so next week we will launch our first Bible quiz. You can take part by going to our website, sites.google.com/headingsomewhere.org/roybean and Messi, and navigating to the quizzes page. New quizzes weekly. Don't miss out. We don't have all the time in the world, so we better get started. So see you later. Bye.
Hello, welcome back to Roy Bean and Messi. So here we are over here at our Jamboard, in the Jamboard app, and we're going to start out with some things. So, let's get the Bible pulled up. Slide it over with Jamboard. There we go. Okay, we'll just move that to the side for now. So, we're going to start off with this isn't going to do much actually because it's just a white thing. There. And so we have this the drawing tool, the eraser tool, which is this fun, that thing, and get rid of that. And then you can select things to delete it, and you can do this to circle things. And then you can add sticky notes, images, icon, and all that. So we don't need to give you a tutorial. So I'm gonna start. So we have Nehemiah here. And he's really sad. Because the walls of Jerusalem are broken down. Okay. So, he's super sad because the walls of Jerusalem, right here, are in bits. So, yeah, he's sad. And we have Ezra, because we're telling this from the two different people. So we have Ezra over here, and let's just delete that. Oh, come on, I'll just do it like this. There. So we have him. Yeah, so he's here, over here, appealing to, I can't draw with the eraser. He's over here appealing to Darius, I think? Yeah, Darius. So this is Ezra, and this is Darius. And so I don't like typing with an Apple Pencil. So Ezra says, edit to this. Because I forgot the E there. So that's what Ezra is saying, and Darius looks through the scrolls. I'm not sure how that got over there. There. So Darius looks through the scrolls. So he's looking through all these scrolls. And then he finds one that has a decree that he finds one, a particular one, that has a decree that they can do things. They can rebuild the temple. So he tells Ezra, and he's happy. So Ezra works on building the temple. So yeah, they rebuilt the temple and everything else. So when the foundations are laid, So when the foundation is laid, so the foundation is laid, and yeah, so the foundation is laid, and then everyone cheers because they're super happy. This is not everyone, but because the foundation is laid. And then down here we have Nehemiah. He asks Artaxerxes if so. So he asks Nehemiah. Nehemiah asks Artaxerxes. No, it's the wrong map. How do you spell Artaxerxes? How do you spell Artaxerxes? Listening to me. How do you spell Artaxerxes? Yoo-hoo! Hey Google, how do you spell Artaxerxes? Whatever. Didn't work. Oh, never mind. Just have to do it like this. Add a sticky note. And do this. Oh, there's a white line there. Okay, well, this guy here is Artaxerxes. Okay, this guy here is Artaxerxes. There. And Nehemiah asks, can we rebuild Jerusalem, please? Change the color of that. Blue. I'll just hit undo. There. I will erase that random white line because I'm not sure why that's there. Okay, so this is Artaxerxes. And then this is what Nehemiah is saying. And Artaxerxes says yes. So Nehemiah is happy. So yeah. So he rebuilds the walls. We'll just draw a line down the middle here. Sadly, Jamboard is going away on the 1st of October this year, because this feature is pretty fun. I don't think it has it in any other thingy, but so yeah, Ezra and his people, they rebuild the walls. They draw some bricks here. Do 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 do. So everybody rebuilds walls. And as I said earlier, here, right here, they were super happy when the foundation of the temple was laid. Right here, right there. So, whoops. So here they the same thing happened. We do this. And then we can do this. Wait, what? Okay. Image library. So if we put this here, wish we could. I wish it had worked actually. Delete that, re-add it, or retake the screenshot. Retake the screenshot. Didn't want that to happen. Make that eraser bigger. So, let's crop this. There. Now we can try it again. Where is it? Right here, we'll just make it bigger. Bigger. And just put that right there. There we go. That makes it easier. So there's that. They say yay when the foundation is laid. And then in Nehemiah, it's terrible writing, but I'm not very good at Apple Pencil anyway. In Nehemiah, they if you are near a bit of, they rebuilt the wall. They rebuilt the wall. Put in some bricks. So they rebuilt the wall. If you are near the bit of wall, we don't remember much. If you are near the bit of wall, if you are near a bit of wall, if you're near a bit of wall like that, you have to rebuild that section of wall near you with your family and friends. With your family, the family who's living with you. So that is this. This is your family. And if your family is near this bit of wall, you have to rebuild that bit of wall with your family. So, I think that's it. So, we'll just say something quickly. Don't hit me, dang. There we go. So, thank you very much. Goodbye, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. And then we do this. There. Bye. Please subscribe and enjoy the please do subscribe and enjoy the Bible quizzes.